where I'm going. Well, the situation is this. We have been dropped off at the main stage, which we are not playing. We're playing the B stage, and now our driver's gone, and we have no way of getting to the B stage because it's like a 20-minute walk. So I'm trying to call people. We'll see what happens. Playing the Kronos out here with KSHMR today. Düsseldorf, Germany. Parookaville Festival! Woo-hoo! Doing some last minute drum maintenance. It's the DJ booth. Any minute now, we're about to start sound check. We got our in-ears. We got all the microphones set up. It's gonna be a fun show. Doing sound check out here with KSHMR at the Parookaville Festival. Getting ready to roll. Hey Niles, can you hear me up there? Cool. Niles, whenever you're ready, we can run something.
Okay, you want to try Tsunami?
Yes, please. Whenever you're ready, Niles. Martin, can you hear me still?
Cool.
I need more trombone in the house, please.
Kev, I'm being told we also only have about 10 minutes for the dancers to be able to go.
I think we should wrap. I was just going to ask you if there's anything that you feel nervous about that you'd like to run.
No, not really. Although I will say the finale includes both the dancers and the players. You want to give a run through that?
Let's do that.
Okay.
Doing the finale. Here we go.
Nach Kaschmir.
Yeah, I don't think we have click. I don't think we have click track.
He didn't start it yet. He was just explaining to the dancers that the song is coming in differently.
Okay, cool. Okay, we're good to go.
Kaschmir.
Okay. All right, should we do some dancer stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, musicians, I think we're wrapped. Go ahead and unplug your instruments and we'll take you to the dressing room. Yeah.
Yeah, I think as it's building up, you guys should kind of make your way out. Because when the drop comes, you don't want to just be like...
All right, we are about 2 hours away from showtime here in Parookaville. And this is the catering area where everybody's eating their food. There's even a little hangout space for some video games. There's some fashion going on over there. And yeah, you got a bunch of food and deliciousness. And this is actually an old airplane hangar. That's the thing about this whole festival, is it takes place where they used to build and test airplanes. So it's pretty legit. It's really fun. But yeah, I gotta go get ready, gotta change. Next stop, showtime.
Parookaville, if you're ready, make some noise! Come on!
What's going on here? Is it a dance party? They fit you so well. This is amazing. You guys are incredible. That's how we're doing the finale. You're all going to do that.